Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Zotero together with NotebookLM to create a powerful research workflow. While there isn't a direct integration between the two platforms, you can still combine them very effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to organize your research in Zotero, export the right files, upload them into NotebookLM, and use AI prompts to speed up your research process. First, open Zotero and make sure your research materials are properly organized. Add your PDFs, books, journal articles, and other research documents into your Zotero library. If you haven't already, take a moment to clean up the metadata for each source. Make sure author names, titles, publication years, and publishers are accurate. Good metadata makes your library easier to search and helps keep your citations reliable later on. Next, create collections inside Zotero to organize sources by topic or project. Think of collections as folders for specific research themes. This makes it much easier to export only the materials you actually need for a particular NotebookLM project. Once your sources are organized, it's time to prepare files for NotebookLM. The easiest and most effective option is to use PDFs, since NotebookLM works best when it can read the full text of your documents. Open your Zotero collection, locate the PDFs attached to your sources, and make sure they're accessible on your computer. If needed, you can also export notes or bibliographies from Zotero. To do this, right-click a collection and select Export Collection. You can choose formats like RIS, BibTeX, or a formatted bibliography depending on your workflow. However, for content analysis inside NotebookLM, PDFs are usually the most useful format. Now, open NotebookLM in your browser and create a new notebook for your research project. Give the notebook a clear name so it's easy to identify later. Inside the notebook, click Add Sources and upload the PDFs or documents you exported from Zotero. After the upload finishes, NotebookLM will process the files and begin building context around your research materials. Larger files may take a little longer to process, so give the system a moment before starting your analysis. Once everything is ready, you can start asking NotebookLM questions about your research. It can summarize key arguments, compare authors, identify themes, explain difficult concepts, and generate study notes or outlines. The more specific your prompts are, the better the results will be. One important thing to remember is that NotebookLM is best used for understanding and synthesizing information, while Zotero should still handle your formal citations and bibliography management. Continue using Zotero's citation tools and plugins when writing papers or inserting references into Word or Google Docs. And that's the complete workflow. Organize your research in Zotero, upload your materials into NotebookLM, analyze them with focused prompts, and use both tools together to create a faster and more efficient research system. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.